Hello, hello, hello! Happy day, world! Welcome to the Porenay in Croatia. Zdravo svima, dobrodošli na moj kanal. Good day, everyone! Magandang araw po sa lahat. Ug maayong adlaw, Cebu! Summertime means beach time. Here's the interracial family who goes to beach. So this beach, guys, is free, public. And this is our Truger, the city Truger. So it's a small city, guys, and we are nearby, or we are coastal area, so nearby the beach. Good thing this beach is clean and a lot of pebbles. So unlike sa other na beach na mabuhangin siya, guys, sun. So ito naman gusto ko kasi nga after mo magdagat sa tubig, hindi madumihan yung paa mo. And good thing here may swing, ayan na. So madaming mga ano dito rin, may madaming activities, pero this time is wala. So, here's our summer seasonal vlog 2025. Enjoy the video. Livat, ay de. Mama, take a picture. That's for baby. Nindot sa direte, bakitin na. Tsokolada man to dito. Nasa yung mga bike for rent. Yan yung mga gwapa dito yung mga taga sa gilong. Ginahan siya diri. Bravo. Ah! Oh my God, it's another one.
Can I watch?
Okay, nindot sa kay direte. Na isa na diri bakitin na. Da. Hala, so cute. Naughty. Okay. A lot of benches. Kung pagod ka na, ano siya, birim or rent bicycle. And town, cathedral. So may nag-fishing na rin dito. Ayan, may nagsustroller na baby. Ang ganda kasi pag ganito na kasi wala nang init. Fresh air. Tingnan natin si Lolo. Ayun. Nag-fishing si Lolo. By the beach. Okay. Doon kami galing. God bless. Safe travel. Safe landing. Okay. Parola. Check kay mami. Wow, super. Gonna take picture there. Uy, dalian ang kalingkod. Wow, ganda ng skies. Ano siya sa speedboat. It has two speedboat. Wow. Takot ako dyan. Wow, sus katakutan nyo. That's dyan ang town. So may marinig na kayo ng music. So ayun na start na ang this morning the night. Like click Como Italy. So guys, ang ganda ng view dito. As you can see, buildings, hotels, apartments, bridge, new bridge, beach, and Angela dyan. Parola. Apartments, main road na yan. Dagat. Ayan, mga barkong maliliit. sunset. The time is 8:36 and it's so nice here. Itong mga boys na to. Yan, nagkiat. Popis lado led mo. Di Angela? Ah? Parking.
Like the street.
Uh-huh. Kami around 9. 9 na tata, right? It's 9. Magna 9 na guys. So, yes, Angela happiness niya ha. Angela, shta ima?
Cuddling.
Okay, ginawa ko maraming gapas din. What Angela do?
Kumachi.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in